If in order to use Linux applications on your Chromebook, you run Linux Development Environment and Flatpak, at some point you will need to update both Linux and any of the Linux applications that you've installed. One of the advantages of using Flatpak is that we can now update all of the Linux applications that we've installed using a single command. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how you update both LDE and Linux applications. First, we need to open a terminal session. We do this by selecting Terminal and then choosing Penguin from the LDE menu. If we now type sudo apt update, when we press enter on our keyboard, the instance of Linux installed into LDE is checked for updates. Next, in order to install any new updates into Linux, if we type sudo apt-get disk-upgrade, after pressing enter on our keyboard, our instance of Linux is updated. Now at the command prompt, if we type flatpak list, when we press enter, a list of the applications installed via Flatpak are displayed. This list is useful as it will confirm which Linux applications will be updated. If we now type sudo flatpak update, when we press enter, Flatpak will update both Flatpak and any Linux applications we've installed using Flatpak. Finally, when we're notified with the message "Updates complete," we can close our terminal window. To gracefully close the terminal window, if we type exit, when we press enter, the terminal window will close. We now need to open and check all of our updated applications.